How to use the English adverb still in Filipino. Still in Tagalog means either pa or pa rin. Pa is used to denote the continuity of an action at the present time, while pa rin indicates that the continuing action is not going to change or stop anytime soon. Let's have a look at sentence number 1. Nasa Navy pa rin ba ang kapatid mo? Nasa Navy pa rin ba ang kapatid mo? Meaning, is your brother still in the Navy? Is your brother still in the Navy? Mahigit 80 na siya, pero aktibo pa rin siya. Mahigit 80 na siya, pero aktibo pa rin siya. She's over 80 but she's still active. She's over 80 but she's still active. Nandito pa rin siya. Nandito pa rin siya. He's still here. He's still here. Inaantok pa ako. Inaantok pa ako. I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy. Buhay pa ba ang isda? Buhay pa ba ang isda? Is the fish still alive? Is the fish still alive? Apat na tao pa ang nawawala. Apat na tao pa ang nawawala. 4 people are still missing. 4 people are still missing. Masakit pa rin ang tiyan ko pagkatapos ng operasyon. Masakit pa rin ang tiyan ko pagkatapos ng operasyon. My stomach is still sore after the operation. My stomach is still sore after the operation. Mukhang bago pa rin ang sapatos mo. Mukhang bago pa rin ang sapatos mo. Your shoes still look new. Your shoes still look new. May tiwala pa rin ako sa kanya. May tiwala pa rin ako sa kanya. I still have faith in him. I still have faith in him. Hindi pa rin ako sigurado sa nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Hindi pa rin ako sigurado sa nararamdaman ko sa kanya. I'm still uncertain of my feelings for him. I'm still uncertain of my feelings for him. Bakit naka-uniforme ka pa rin? Bakit naka-uniforme ka pa rin? Why are you still wearing your uniform? Why are you still wearing your uniform? Natutulog pa ang bata. Natutulog pa ang bata. The baby is still sleeping. The baby is still sleeping. Segunda mano ang bisikletang ito, pero maayos pa rin. Segunda mano ang bisikletang ito, pero maayos pa rin. This bike is second-hand, but it's still in good condition. This bike is second-hand, but it's still in good condition. Takot ka pa rin ba sa gagamba? Takot ka pa rin ba sa gagamba? Are you still afraid of spiders? Hinuhuli at pinapatay pa rin ang mga balyena sa Arctic. Hinuhuli at pinapatay pa rin ang mga balyena sa Arctic. Whales are still being hunted and killed in the Arctic. Whales are still being hunted and killed in the Arctic. May snow pa rin sa tuktok ng bundok. May snow pa rin sa tuktok ng bundok. There's still snow on the mountaintops. There's still snow on the mountaintops. Pangarap pa rin niyang maging basketball player. Pangarap pa rin niyang maging basketball player. He still dreams about becoming a basketball player. He still dreams about becoming a basketball player. Luma na ang kalan pero gumagana pa rin. Luma na ang kalan pero gumagana pa rin. The stove may be old, but it still works. The stove may be old, but it still works. Inumin mo na yan habang mainit pa. Inumin mo na yan habang mainit pa. Drink it while it's still hot. Drink it while it's still hot. Maliwanag pa rin sa labas. Maliwanag pa rin sa labas. It's still bright outside. It's still bright outside. Galit pa rin ako sa kanya. Galit pa rin ako sa kanya. I'm still angry at him. I'm still angry at him. Interesado pa rin ako sa kwintas. Interesado pa rin ako sa kwintas. I'm still interested in the necklace. I'm still interested in the necklace. Kitang-kita pa rin ang peklat. Kitang-kita pa rin ang peklat. The scar is still visible. The scar is still visible. Mas gusto ko pa rin ang baka kaysa sa manok. Mas gusto ko pa rin ang baka kaysa sa manok. I still prefer beef over chicken. I still prefer beef over chicken. Pwede ko pa rin bang gamitin ang mga tiket na to? Pwede ko pa rin bang gamitin ang mga tiket na to? Can I still use these tickets? Can I still use these tickets? Naaalala ko pa rin ang mga kaibigan ko sa Seoul. Naaalala ko pa rin ang mga kaibigan ko sa Seoul. I still remember my friends in Seoul. I still remember my friends in Seoul. Binata pa ako. Binata pa ako. I'm still single. Lalaki ka pa. Lalaki ka pa. You'll still grow taller. You'll still grow taller. Teka, pumipili pa kami. Teka, pumipili pa kami. Hold on, we're still choosing. Hold on, we're still choosing. Mamaya na, naglalaro pa ako. Mamaya na, naglalaro pa ako. Later, I'm still playing. Later, I'm still playing. Dumudugo pa ba ang sugat mo? Dumudugo pa ba ang sugat mo? Is your wound still bleeding? Is your wound still bleeding? Gumising ako ng maaga, pero na-late pa rin ako. Gumising ako ng maaga pero na-late pa rin ako. I got up early but I was still late. I got up early but I was still late. Nasa bahay pa ako. Nasa bahay pa ako. I'm still at home. I'm still at home. Hindi ko alam kung nasa akin pa rin yon. Hindi ko alam kung nasa akin pa rin yon. I don't know if I still have it. I don't know if I still have it. Buhay ka pa? Buhay ka pa? Are you still alive? Are you still alive? Mahal ko pa rin si Henry. Mahal ko pa rin si Henry. I still love Henry. I still love Henry. Gusto pa rin niyang pumunta. Gusto pa rin niyang pumunta. She still wants to come. She still wants to come. Nasa abroad pa ba ang tito mo? Nasa abroad pa ba ang tito mo? Is your uncle still abroad? Is your uncle still abroad? Umaasa pa rin siya sa mga magulang niya. Umaasa pa rin siya sa mga magulang niya. She still depends on her parents. She still depends on her parents. Marami pa akong gagawin. Marami pa akong gagawin. I still have a lot of things to do. I still have a lot of things to do. Umuulan pa rin. Umuulan pa rin. It's still raining. It's still raining.